Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to format your USB for your Tesla vehicle. If you're going to be using the Dashcam or even Sentry Mode. So first, we need to open up the glove box. So we can just go here and open it up. And sometimes it opens and sometimes it doesn't. But it looks like it's already open. So funny stuff going on here. We can just remove this. And there is a little USB slot right there. You can kind of see this. And if I zoom in a little more, you can kind of see it's really dark in there. But you can take your USB, put it in right there. Now my Tesla came with a USB that's 128 gigabytes. And you just need to close it. Once you have it placed in there, you can just go on down to safety. And then scroll through here. And you can format your USB right here so it's used on your vehicle. And this will format it exFAT. This will delete all the data off it, and then you can use it as a dash cam. So it's very easy. Just go to safety, plug it in, and then we can go to delete the clips right here if we want to delete all the clips off of it, because sometimes it will become full. You can see I don't think it rewrites anything, so you got to come in here manually once it's full and just delete everything. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.